Cheers. Hey guys, so I just picked up my order from McDonald's and today I am trying for the very first time in my life, from what I can remember, a Big Mac. Now, I have some big expectations of this Big Mac. Growing up, I was not really into burgers, so I always got chicken stuff from McDonald's. But I have a memory of like family friends on our way home from a vacation or a road trip or something. They would get a Big Mac. And it was the only time of year that they had a Big Mac, and it was a really big deal. Since then, I'm not sure if it's still such a big deal, but I'm excited to try it. All right, you know what time it is. Mukbang tray. I forgot soda again, and I'm sad because I really wish I had a Diet Coke for this. Alrighty, here we go. Ooh, it says Big Mac on the box. That's pretty nifty. That feels fancy. So this is just gonna be like my taste test and reaction. Is it worth the hype? This is our expectation, everybody. It is looking tall. It's looking voluptuous, gorgeous. According to Google, a Big Mac is supposed to be 100% Canadian beef. Canadian beef? Is all McDonald's beef Canadian, or is this just what my Google result is telling me? Canadian beef patties, special sauce, crisp lettuce, processed cheddar cheese. Like that they put the word processed in that. Can't make this up. Pickles and onions on a toasted sesame seed bun. Love it. Jimmy wanted me to do the Big Mac song, but I didn't grow up knowing the Big Mac song. Onions on a sesame seed bun. All beef patty, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun. Don't want this to get cold, but I will say this was $5.29. It's 550 calories. Okay, so that's what we're expecting. Let's do the big reveal. 3, 2, my very first Big Mac. 1. Okay. She's kind of flatter than I was expecting, but she's got a lot going on. So let's unwrap her. We've got a little bit of overpouring of lettuce. I see the toasted sesame seed bun. Oh, wow. Okay, so here she's falling apart. A little bit of everything everywhere. Okay, that's fine. So here is the Big Mac, everybody. It's warm. Let's see what's on the inside. Nothing on the top layer. Gosh darn it, lettuce is everywhere. Okay, second layer. We've got our Big Mac sauce, lettuce, pickles. Then same thing, got nothing on this layer. And the bottom is the cheese. And we've got lots of the sauce here. This is hilarious. These look like 2 different types of pickles. Is that a thing? Like, I know they're obviously different sizes, but they also just look like different types of pickles. And these patties are really thin. I looked it up online, or in the app I looked it up to see like how many extra calories it would be to add a patty, and they say that they're 190 calories each for a patty. This is 190 calories. That's very depressing because it's like there's no meat there at all. I've officially have lettuce all over my car floor. What else is new? Alrighty guys, let's do it. First bite, we're gonna get a bite with the pickle, the cheese, the patties, the sauce. Cheers. So here are my thoughts on this Big Mac. The concept is really cool, but the patties are just too thin to justify all this bread. I'm really not getting any of the beef flavor. The sauce is really good. I do taste the sauce, but overall, these patties need to just be thicker. Like, it is, you can't even, there's a patty in here and you can't see it. Literally, whoo, falling. Literally, all you could see is sauce. So yeah, Jimmy loves Big Mac, so I'm gonna save this for him. But stay tuned, I also got a 1/4 pounder. I'm gonna do another video on that right now. Yeah, I'm a little disappointed, I'm not gonna lie, I had high hopes. It just seems like most of this is bun. Like, that is a really thin patty, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick little first time having a Big Mac video, and I will see you in the next one. Comment down below what your favorite item at McDonald's is to try, whether it's limited time or it's just there all the time. I recently got a car, so I'm trying to get back into doing fun, out in the world videos, as well as like still cooking and all that stuff. So subscribe if you want. It would really mean a lot to me. And let me know your thoughts on the Big Mac. Like, were you also disappointed? Did it used to be good? Let me know. Bye, guys.